Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to see the program which helps us in finding if a binary tree is a symmetric tree or not. First, let us take an example. A symmetric binary tree is one which is mirror of itself. In the first example, it is a symmetric tree, and in the next example, it is not. Next, let us see the approach. The idea is to write a recursive function isMirror that takes two trees as argument and returns true if trees are mirror and false if trees are not mirror. The isMirror function recursively checks two roots and subtrees under the root. Now, let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, that is 1, to isSymmetric function. So, root will point to 1. Next, we pass the root node to root 1 and root 2 in the isMirror function. Since both are not null, we go to the second if, as root 1's key is equal to root 2 key, the if condition gets satisfied and we pass root 1's left and root 2's right to isMirror function using a call stack. Again, the second if condition gets satisfied as root 1's key is equal to root 2's key. So now we pass the left child of 2 and right child of 2, which are both null. Since both root 1 and root 2 are null, we return true to the previous call. Next, we pass the right child of 2 and left child of 2, which are also null. Since both are null, we return true to the previous call. True and true will return true to the previous call and we finish execution for node 2. Next, we pass the right child of 1 and left child of 1, which are both 2. As root 1 and root 2 are not null, the second if statement gets satisfied as root 1's key is equal to root 2's key. So we pass the left child of root 1 and right child of root 2, which are both null. As root 1 and root 2 are both null, we return true to the previous call. Next, we pass the right child of 2 and left child of 2, which are also null. Since both are null, we return true to the previous call. True and true will return true and we return true to the previous call. Again, true ANDed with true will give us true and we return true to the caller function. Hence, this tree is symmetric. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.